This skill video will show you how to extinguish a wheel assembly fire with a handline. This skill requires 2 firefighters working as a team. You should complete this skill while wearing appropriate personal protective equipment. High temperature may cause fusible plugs to blow, creating a fragmentation hazard. Deploy and charge the handline. Approach the wheel assembly from a 45-degree angle. Operate the nozzle using water at appropriate pressure and flow using prescribed techniques until the fire is extinguished. Back away and maintain situational awareness.